Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X70i and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's begin with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now let's tap on this three dots icon in this upper panel. Now we have to go to the settings, so let's tap on them and here tap on languages. So here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So it is divided into three different categories. So your languages, those which are currently applied, pre-installed languages, so we can immediately apply them, and under it we've got all languages, so those which are not pre-installed, but no worries, you can simply find your language here, tap on it, and it will be downloaded. Let me choose something from those options, maybe Greek. So let me just tap on this option, just keep it. Your device will kind of download it, I mean it will apply it to the list above, and here we can choose our setup, so I mean the layout, because sometimes depending on the specific language you will be able to choose from different layouts. So I'll just choose this one. Alright, so we just got back to the keyboard, but let me go back to this section with the languages. As you can see in this Your Languages section, we've got the Greek language right now applied. We can quickly remove the previous language, but before I will do it, I'd like to go back to the keyboard to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So basically now all we have to do in order to quickly change the layout, so for example if you're multilingual and multilingual, you speak a lot of languages and you'd like to also type in them, you can apply a lot of languages to the keyboard and quickly change them just by swiping on the spacebar. As you can see here, we've got Greek and then we've got English and all other languages which we'd like to have here. So to remove the previous language, let's enter the settings again, tap on the languages, and now we can either turn it off just by tapping on the switcher here, and we will have only one language applied, or long press to delete. So if you decide that you don't want to use it anymore, then you can totally remove it. Of course it will still be in the pre-installed languages, but it will be not visible right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.